We're excited to announce the release of our Rapid Access Tourniquet Holder by 6ECHO. We're going to take a minute to run through some of the features that set this tourniquet holder apart from many of the other tourniquet holders on the market. The Rapid Access Tourniquet Holder is not a revolutionary new design, but there are some new features built into this tourniquet holder that set it apart from a lot of the other tourniquet holders on the market. The three main features that set this tourniquet holder apart from many others on the market are the adjustability to be able to accommodate many different types of tourniquets, the different types of attachment options built into this tourniquet holder, and also the materials that we make this out of, which provide more durability and reliability in the actual product itself. When we're looking at the adjustability of this tourniquet holder, we have a large amount of Velcro on the front, and we have a long enough tab that goes over the top of the tourniquet to where we can run a really tall tourniquet, such as a cat tourniquet, if you were to take it directly out of the plastic and stick it in your tourniquet holder. If you refold your cat tourniquet or you run a smaller tourniquet like a soft tourniquet, you have the ability now to cinch this down a bit, decrease that size, and still hold that tourniquet secure in the holder. So not only can we fit a cat tourniquet or a soft tourniquet inside this tourniquet holder, but we can also fit the SAM XT tourniquet. We can fit the M2 Ratcheting Medical Tourniquet, and this is even the extra wide version. And any of the other TCCC recommended tourniquets will fit inside this tourniquet holder. So let's take a minute to look at the attachment options on this. This tourniquet holder will come default with a belt clip that is screwed in with a single screw. You can remove that screw, remove the belt clip, and then you have access to MOLLE attachment or simply a belt loop that you can slide a belt through. But the belt clip that comes in here will accommodate a belt up to 1 3/4 inch width. So you can slide it easily on a war belt or even just a thick work belt. To take this clip off, simply put your finger inside of the tourniquet holder and hold the back side while you screw the screw on the outside. When that comes out, you will have both a post and the screw. Set those aside so you can reinstall this later, and then this belt clip will simply slide out and come separate from the tourniquet holder. Once we remove that clip, you can see the 4 slots of MOLLE on the back of this tourniquet holder, so you can simply mount it to a MOLLE attachment using something like a malice clip and secure the tourniquet holder that way. Another attachment option that you have is that you can simply just slide a belt through the belt loop on the back of the tourniquet holder. If you really wanted to get creative, you could use some Velcro one wrap to weave through the MOLLE or through the belt loop to be able to attach this to a device as well. All right, so this can accommodate many types of tourniquets, and we also have several different mounting options to be able to attach this to our gear. But let's take a minute and talk about the materials that we chose to use for this tourniquet holder. This tourniquet holder is based off of a single strap of Biothane coated webbing. Biothane is a UV resistant and waterproof coating that they put on webbing. This webbing has a high tensile strength, so it's very durable. It's very abrasion resistant, and it keeps this from soaking up any odors or liquids because it is non-porous. It's easy to clean, easy to wipe down, and this Biothane is some really high quality material. On top of the Biothane that we are using for the bulk of this tourniquet holder, we also have a Hypalon Pull Tab here on the bottom. It's very grippy. It has a texture, so it's easy to grab to be able to open, and this is the same material that we are using in our ankle kit for all the pull tabs on our kicker ankle kit as well. Well, that is a quick look at our recently released Rapid Access Tourniquet Holder. You can find more information about this tourniquet holder and our other products on our website at 6echosystems.com. If you're looking for some information on how to prep your tourniquet for rapid access, we did a video on that a little while back, so we'll leave a link up here as well. So go check that video out on how to prep your tourniquet to go inside these tourniquet holders. Well, that's all for today. As always, stay vigilant and stay safe.